Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I'm nervous. Okay.
Hi guys. Why are you so awkward?
This is you. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
The whole intro like this. Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel.
We're basic fitness chicks. Okay, I'm Corey.
I'm Elise. Today we're going to be filming a yoga pose video.
Challenge video.
Yes. You've probably...
Couples yoga pose challenge.
You guys have probably seen these types of videos on YouTube already, so this isn't something new. But this should be really fun. We've never done this before, so I hope you enjoy.
Wait, should we like introduce ourselves more?
Yeah, we did.
So with our channel, why do I keep doing this? I want to stop. So with our channel, we want to do fitness videos, but we want to add humor into it.
Yep. We want to make it more fun for you guys and just kind of make it like a more comedy.
Yeah. We don't want to be like all those other basic fitness chicks who are like,
just post
Food of the day. Meal of the day.
nutrition videos. We want
Yeah.
to do something different.
yeah, we want to be funny. This is a really basic video, but everyone.
It is really,
But we're gonna make it fun.
it's basic, but
We want to add a little spice into it. A little. No, not right now. Okay, that's better. Oh my god. I want to stand like this too. Should we zoom out and talk all the way? This.
we look like we're sponsors for this.
Sponsored.
I guess Corey wants you guys to know that we're drinking this.
Today's
We're
episode of Basic Fitness Chicks is powered by 3D. Excuse me.
Every time we say fit, we have to take a sip. That rhymes.
I'll fix it. First yoga pose. This one.
That is not easy.
Yes,
I wish
it
you guys
is.
could see what she's looking at because
Yes, you can because it's right here in the corner.
it's right here.
Okay, wait.
We just lock hands. Or this way.
Wait. Okay. Ready?
Oh my god.
Wait. Oh, yeah, get your.
Oh.
Okay, Corey. Wait. I gotta get. Maybe you should get down first. You need to. Are we doing it?
No, I don't know.
I can't see.
Wait, do I like bring my legs in?
I don't know. I'm gonna arch. Okay, so you like arch and I.
Oh god.
I think we're doing it.
Should I like slouch more?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I go like this, but you angle your foot. No, like this foot.
Just this way.
No, like this foot on top of it. Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Okay, and so I go like this.
How much do I lean?
Your other leg has to be up. Your other leg, it has to be in the air.
How is that possible?
Because I'm gonna be holding, no, like back. Hang on.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh my god, ready?
No. No, I'm not ready.
Okay, go. Yeah, wait, start down there.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, how do I do this?
Oh my god. Oh my
Ow! Oh!
Wait, try again.
Okay. No, but like put it on my foot. Wait, but like
said
don't dig your heel into my foot. Like put it off of it a little. But not your heel.
Oh. You're so specific.
Wait, like this because it hurt. Wait, like this. Wait, let me show you my own foot. Like this.
Okay.
I'm gonna start here,
Okay.
and you're gonna put your legs.
I got the horses in the bag.
You're so sweaty.
I know,
already.
I am sweating. Okay, put your hands on the ground.
Okay. Go.
Ah! Wait, is this it?
Is it?
Oh. watch and see how many calories I burn. Oh no. Okay, wait. We're like how much it like I don't remember.
I don't know if that was a failure.
I don't know. Towel. Don't tell Shelly. Let's see if it dries. Oh shoot! That's how you know your pants are buttery soft. Straight up and down. Oh, we did it! Did we? Yeah. We're good, guys. Comment down below and rate us a 1 through 10. Wait, yeah. Get
Is that
on.
gonna hurt your ankles?
No, get on me first, and then I'll go up.
Oh no. Wait, what did I do with what do I do with my legs?
You just put them around my head. Yeah, like that. Ow! Yeah, like that. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
I think we did it.
Alright guys.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
You're doing yoga.
Okay, so the lighting though, how's the lighting here?
It's good.
Okay, alright, I'll leave you guys alone. Whatever. The battery's okay? Battery's
Commercial
okay?
break. Bill
Wait,
comes in.
should you get on my back first?
Are you guys doing sound? I'm serious.
Yeah.
You have to like bind your foot in your hand.
Okay, what the Wait, but do I just chill like this? Oh my god! Okay, where do my legs go? Where do my legs go? Lisa, I can't even. Wait. Wait. Oh god.
But mine need to touch the ground. Oh, hold my arms.
Okay. Hold my. Wait. Oh my god.
I think this one's like so good.
Hip thrust.
Oh god.
Ow, your hips are digging in my.
I know.
Okay, right here.
Oh, my vomit.
I'm just gonna launch myself.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Yeah. Your head.
Oh. Okay.
Hold my arms. Oh.
Okay. Wait, we gotta get close.
I can't squeeze my
Alright,
leg.
give me this arm.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. Wait, okay. Get your.
I can't, my legs are gonna snap.
You got this.
Wait.
You got this.
Wait. Okay. Elisa's hip bone just rolled in the arch of my foot.
Don't laugh. Serious.
Launch.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, that one's never gonna happen.
You're ready.
Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. 2 legs up.
Oh wait, no.
Okay, straighten your hips out.
Oh!
And then 1 leg up. 1 leg up. Yeah!
That is how you get it up for 1 second. We're good.
I thought there was one more. This one. Oh, look, I'm proposing.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
I was doing these last night. So, we both like this. And then.
Okay, just stay like that.